Hi friends, good evening. As I already told you that I'll post a video on Bank of Baroda because today was an important trend change date of Bank of Baroda. First, we will see how the Bank Nifty is looking, and then we'll move to Bank of Baroda and some of the key important dates for the major companies which we are watching in the last couple of months. Okay, first I'll share the screen. First thing is. I think hope you all remember this 30-minute chart of Bank Nifty. So it took the support here at 12187, and as planned it's moved above roughly around 1500 points. But now there is one very key resistance here at 33857. Okay, so watch out for this number tomorrow, 33857. Okay, this number is very crucial tomorrow. Okay, and coming to number game, I'll just post that screen. Okay, so now, as I already told you, Bank of Baroda, you can, maybe I can minimize this. Okay, so now 61 is the stop loss for Bank of Baroda, and today's high was 68.15 and the low was 65.75. So you can buy above 68.15 and the stop loss is 65.75. And one more thing which is happening is, again, there is one more important trend change date is happening tomorrow, which is on 29th April. Today and when two continuous astro date means it will have a major impact. Okay, and watch out this guy HCL Tech today. It had a major astro date today, trend change date today, and the high and low was very small, so you can take a bet on this. And as I already told you, Tata Steel is having his major trend change date. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, Friday, not tomorrow, on Friday, 30th. And as well as JSW Steel also is having the same date, April 30th. Okay, and Jindal Steel is also already over, April 16th. So these two guys is having the important date on April 30th, Tata Steel and JSW Steel. And our interesting stock, see, tomorrow CanBank is having an important date. All banks are having important date. 2 days back, SBI had an important date. And one more thing which I want to show you is today Mindtree also had an important date. I'll tell you later. This one, our favorite counter, where is it? Yeah, this guy. Tomorrow is having a very important date, Yes Bank. So we can watch this, Yes Bank for tomorrow. So these are the key important dates which is going to happen in the next couple of days. And in the May month, we have IOC, Dabur, and Coal India, Asian Paints. Few of the companies are having major dates on on May month. I'll tell you, I'll put a video based on the key trend change date. Now we'll go and see a simple cup and handle pattern of Bank of Baroda. I'll share the screen. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So this is a simple cup and handle pattern of Bank of Baroda based on daily. Weekly also looks very same. So from 99, it went to 99. From here, it made a cup and then it clearly showing the handle. Okay, so it's a good handle. Possibility is above 68. Okay, or you take tomorrow's high also for that matter. Above that, the first possibility is 77, and the next possibility is 88, and the third possibility is 99. Once above 99 and close above 99, the target it says is 176. Okay, so first we will try for these three targets. One is 77, 88, and 99. Clear cup and handle pattern emerging with two combined astro dates. So we can keep 65.30, which is the low of today, as a stop loss, and we can run. And based on the number game, I've already told you 61 is my positional stop loss. And if you see here, it is clearly giving a support. Maybe you can tweak this here also, not a problem. Yeah. So it says 62.10. It is clearly giving a bottom. So once it breaks this line, this top line, which most probably tomorrow, I think it is 69.23. You can take it as 70. If it close above 70, 77, 88, and 99 are the targets. Once cross and close above 99, it says the target is 176 based on cup and handle pattern. Okay, so let's see. We don't know whether Bank Nifty is going to touch this 34,500 level, which I told you. But one key resistance is here tomorrow. And if you take Ichimoku also, it has exactly went and touched. See, this is what today Bank Nifty is. It went and touched the cloud. Now it has to move above this cloud, and the cloud size is bigger. So it has to move fully. It has to break the, in case if it has to break, it has to break roughly around 35,401. So, but normally, it's a big cloud. It takes a little time to move. Let's watch out. But most probably, in case if Bank Nifty has to move further, it will do around 11th May, because here the cloud is, the upper end of the cloud and the lower end of the cloud is, the difference is very, very small. So normally, it tries to break somewhere from here or from here. But after this, the cloud is becoming bearish. So we need to watch whether it is able to move this entire cloud and then move away. And if you take in weekly, I have some internet issues. Okay, yeah, weekly is fine. This week was very good, and it has taken a support here, 31,121. See, as I told you, this super trend will work on a weekly or a monthly basis. So it took exactly support of the super trend and then it moved. But very easy to say, but the stop loss is huge. Even 200 points, if you buy one lot, you need to give roughly around 5,000 rupees. So 400 points in Bank Nifty is 10,000 rupees will be wiped out. So yes, but as of now, it is moved above this conversion line also. But we need to see tomorrow, because tomorrow is a very, very that number is very, very crucial for Bank Nifty. And if you take this entire month, it is a perfect doji. But what it says is, whenever it sold, the buyer came and took to the high. See, this month high was 33,949, and today it closed at 33,722. See, it came all the way to 30,405. From there, it moved roughly around 2,000 points. So the sellers are being trapped, and bulls are in favor, and then they are not allowing the market to come down. And then today it's purely because of short covering, because tomorrow is a monthly expiry, so it is pure short covering happened today. So it went crazy. Okay, so watch out for this number in case tomorrow before 30th, if we can close above 33,949, it's well and good for Bank Nifty. Otherwise, we'll face some problem in Bank Nifty. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.